Hello.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Ahmed. And yours?
Ahmed? Yeah?
Ahmed.
Ahmed. Nice to meet you, Ahmed. My name's
Yeah.
Mariska.
Nice to meet you, Mariska.
Where are you from?
From Iraq.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
Is there?
Yes, safe.
Yes?
Yes.
When I hear of Iraq, I just think, no, it's not safe there.
Yeah, this is about 3 or 4 years ago. Yes, it's not safe here. But
Okay.
now it's really cool and good.
Oh, okay. So a lot has changed then, right?
Yes. You know, the people want to live peacefully.
Oh, well, I think that's everyone around the world. People want to live peacefully. But,
Of course.
some people are so selfish and greedy when it comes to countries and land and those sort of things that very few people get to live peacefully, you know?
Yeah. Yes. I agree with you.
Yeah, because of the
Yes.
selfish.
Yeah. About the money and the government and the politicians.
Yes.
Uh,
All the
Yes.
people that have power, you know?
Yes. Uh,
Okay, Ahmed, so tell me, what would you like to talk about today?
um, I want to conversation. I have a
Okay.
free conversation.
Perfect. So then we can just carry on like we were talking.
Yeah, conversation to make me improve my English language.
Uh-huh. So
Yes.
so tell me, Ahmed, what sort of work do you do?
I work on a computer shop.
Oh, you work in a computer shop?
Yes.
What do you do?
I uh, I repair the computer and sell the accessories of computer.
Mm-hmm.
And I have another job for communication.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
so you basically do like a little bit of everything because you do the repair aspect, you do the sales aspect, do a little bit of everything.
Yes,
Do you do any
and
programming?
no. I don't know about the programming.
Okay.
Just repairing, and I am good in communication. I have communication towers
Mm,
to provide the internet
mm.
to the people.
Oh, nice. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's very important these days, right?
Yes. When the internet is cutting, the people make me crying. Always calling on me. What's the matter of internet? What's the matter of internet? I said, just a minute. I will fix it. Yeah.
No, I can understand. Like even for me, because I have LTE, okay, Wi-Fi,
Yes.
and I get very annoyed recently because my internet keeps just switching off, like losing signal. So I
Yes.
phoned my internet provider and I was like, what's going on with the internet lately? Why does it keep switching off? And they're like, no, it's nothing wrong. I was like, yes, something is wrong.
Yes. There is no internet here.
Exactly. So
Yes.
now I'm waiting for them to send in a technician to come and have a look because I'm like, I've been with them for 1 year already. I've had no problems. And now all of a sudden I'm having problems. So I'm like, no, they need to come and sort this out. I need
Uh,
internet.
I need internet. Yes, maybe the package. يعني maybe the package is little bit low, or the gigabyte.
Oh, like the amount of like the speed that it's going at?
Yes.
No, one of them mentioned that maybe it's that, and I said to them, it can't be that because my download speed and my upload speeds are good when it is on. But the
Yes.
problem is it's on and then it'll just suddenly switch off. Boom, boom.
Yes.
And then I'll restart the modem and then it's fine again. But I'm like, why is it switching off? Why is it just losing signal? You know?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
That's not normal.
Yes.
So,
This is a terrible problem.
yeah, exactly. Especially for me with the type of work I do. I don't want
Of
it going
course.
off when I'm busy talking to someone, you know?
Call
So,
the provider. Call the provider. You say, I have work.
I tell them all the time. I say to them, hey, if it affects my work, then I won't pay you because you are the reason.
Hey, that's deal.
Yeah.
That's deal.
But yeah, no one takes me seriously. They're always just like, yeah, okay, don't worry. We'll get back to you. Yeah.
Okay. You should say to him, I will change you.
Yeah, I think I
and
should. My husband also says I should say to them, no, I'm going to change service providers and then they will listen. So,
yeah, my customers always say to me that if the internet is cutting always, I will change you. Oh no! I will fix you. I will fix you.
so you used to hearing it. You used to hearing them say, now I'm going to change internet providers.
Yes, yeah. And when you call your providers, you call a company, a call center, or a person.
I normally call the call center.
Call
Yeah.
center.
Yeah, because that's
Yeah.
just how this company works. You have to call the call center, and then the call center will put you through to an operator, and then
Yes.
you speak to the operator. So, yeah.
No, it's different here in Iraq. We take the package from the company, and we have a communication tower on the roof Okay. So I am the manager. I am I am fixed the internet. I am the call center.
You're
Oh,
everything.
and sometimes climbing on the towers to fix the antennas.
Really? Sure.
Yeah.
I have an antenna outside as well because I thought it might help with download and upload speeds. So I
Yes.
got an exterior antenna for better
Yes.
signal,
Yes.
but it hasn't helped. It doesn't change. With or without it, I get the same sort of download and upload speed.
Maybe the tower is far away from you.
No, it's walking distance from me.
Oh.
That's why I always complain. I'm like, hey, I'm going to walk down there and I'm going to bash that thing broken.
Yeah, you should call him and you see the tower. This is in front of me.
I should actually do that, yes.
You-
But
say to him, I will take the internet from Iraq from my friend.
I think that'll be very difficult though, to get internet all the way from Iraq to South Africa.
No, delivery. Delivery. With a gift always.
Oh yeah. Oh yes, and definitely needs to have a gift as well if it comes that far.
A special offer.
Oh my. Yeah, no. But I think though, with today's technology, I don't think there's a single person that doesn't have internet. I think every single
Yes.
household has it. So I think maybe the internet providers get a little bit overwhelmed, because like every 5 seconds it's someone calling them
Yes.
because
Oh,
there's so
yes,
many
yes,
people,
yes. Yes.
But that's just what must we do, like that's their job and their
Yeah,
choice.
sure. This is our job here. difficult. But it's sometimes very beautiful for us.
Yeah, like sometimes you really enjoy it, right?
Yes, yeah. My brain just working, not my hand or physical body working.
And that's
Just
actually nice. It's nice when you can just have your brain like stay active, and
yes, yes. Sometimes the problem happens in the connection, or
Mm.
my brain work full capacity.
Ah, yeah, yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah, yeah. And I'm drinking coffee and smoking. Drinking coffee and smoking. I
Why are
will
you
fix the
smoking?
problems. Yeah,
Smoking's so
because
bad for you.
um,
You should stop smoking. It's very bad for
yeah.
you.
Okay. When I stop the communication
You will
working,
stop.
you'll stop. That's the
Oh, okay.
deal. That's the deal.
Because it's
Yeah.
so stressful, right? I know some of my
Yeah.
other
Very
friends,
very stressful.
I don't smoke, but they smoke. And they also say whenever they're very stressed, then they
Yeah.
smoke because
Yes.
it relaxes them.
Yes, the nicotine is relax the brain and the
Mm,
whole body. Yeah,
yeah, but
you know about yes. I know. This is a mistake for me
mhm.
and all of the smokers. Yeah, I agree with you.
I and also coffee, but I also drink coffee, so I won't tell you to stop drinking coffee because I drink coffee.
uh, okay, drink
But
coffee. Yes,
yes, but my friends always tell me, "Oh, coffee's so bad for you," and I'm like, "Yeah, but I only drink like 1 cup, maybe sometimes 2 cups in the day. I don't
yes,
drink more than that, so I don't think
yes.
that's too bad, you know."
Yeah. Yes, yes. The coffee. You feel when drink coffee, you feel energetic.
Well, and not just that, I just like the smell and the taste of it.
Uh
Like
huh.
when you wake up in the morning and
Yes.
you have that smell of the coffee when it's just so nice. Like I just like that smell to wake up to. Like,
Uh
yeah.
huh. Love it in sweet or in
Mm,
not sweet, not a little bit sugar.
yeah, just a little bit sugar, not too much. I don't like coffee very sweet.
Yes, the coffee. Yes, is not sweet. Good tasted.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
if you put lots of sugar in it, then it doesn't really taste like coffee anymore. Then
Uh, like
yeah,
uh, like uh, like 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 tea or orange juice.
yeah, exactly. It tastes
Yes.
different.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I don't like sweet coffee. Um,
Hey.
but I do like drinking sweet cold ice coffee.
Oh, nice coffee.
Yeah, when I drink
Yes.
iced
Yeah.
coffee, then that's sweet. That's nice. But also not
That's
very,
nice.
very sweet, just a little bit sweet.
Yes.
Oh.
Then tell me about my language. Is it good? Is it rate me from 1 to 10.
And 1 to 10, 1 being good and 10 being bad, or 1 being bad and 10 being good?
La, la, no, rate me from 1 to 10.
Okay, 1 to 10, I'm going to say if 10 is good, I'm going to say maybe about a 7 or a 8. So,
Oh,
yeah. Yeah, you spoke very comfortably with me.
yes,
You didn't have any grammar mistakes, so we didn't speak about difficult topics, but
yes, yes.
I think general conversation 7 or an 8. So
Thank you, Mariska. You make
okay,
my you make my day
your day.
so beautiful.
All right,
Yes,
quick question because of the time. Are those your real color eyes? It's real?
yes, yeah,
I love
yes,
that.
yes,
I'm so jealous.
yes.
I also want nice eyes like
Oh,
that.
fuck! Take it for
Second?
you.
Okay. Bye, Ahmed. I hope you have a lovely day.
Thank you.
Take care.
Bye.